Rafah, Hafr al-Batin, and Al-Saman reported a high of 47 degrees Celsius, while Al-Suda recorded a low of 14 degrees Celsius, where humidity reached 95%. Renowned meteorologist Abdullah Al-Osaimi said such weather patterns herald the start of autumn in October. Mecca authorities ordered schools to close on Wednesday after heavy rain hit parts of Saudi Arabia, with videos shared on social media showing pilgrims taking shelter after a storm. Severe thunderstorms overnight. Heavy rain fell on Tuesday evening, accompanied by thunderstorms in separate areas of the Macca al-Mukarrama neighborhood, the Saudi press agency reported. Education officials said schools would be